everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel 1 2 Step. So today in this video I'm gonna show you how to export file as JPG on Picsart. So to get started, let's open Picsart. So here choose one photo you want to export. Let's click on plus button and then choose a photo if you want to make some changes on it. Now you want to export this photo, then click on the download icon. Now here you can see it is giving you the option save as JPG. So click on it and click on save button. This is how you can download file as JPG on Picsart. So that wraps for today. If you guys like this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.